What's up, everyone? So got another reaction for you, and this one is really, I love these hidden gems that I find online. So shout out to everybody who posts on TikTok, Instagram, these short stories, YouTube as well, where I can kind of see it and be like, who is this? And then go find them and then bring it and share it to you guys. This is the Tesky brothers, and they have a song called Rain. It's a few years old, but it's an amazing piece, and I want to share it with you guys. The Tesky brothers are a blues rock band out of Melbourne, Australia. I want to say the names are Josh and Sam Tesky. And so I'm going to share it with you guys. But in the meantime, subscriptions to the channel are free. So please, it helps the channel grow. Hit the thumbs up or thumbs down. That helps the channel as well. Leave some comments if you feel. Let's get into it.
Yeah. Is that rain? Are you crying again? Would it be the same if I could hold you, my friend? 'Cause I know it's hard to be alone. So with no face is a lonely race. But I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone. Yeah. Now there's a clown up between us all, and the road ain't so clear. We can still walk on, yeah. 'Cause I know it's hard to be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely place. But I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone. But is that rain? Or am I crying again? A soul with no face is a lonely place. But I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 'cause I know it's hard, and I know it's hard, but you ain't gonna be. It's gonna be alone.
This is fantastic. I love this song, and this is only like my second, third time hearing it as I'm putting this together. But just the opening, those couple soft notes, and then those vocals just come right in, and there you have it. That's that soul. It's not just singing. This is soul, and it gives you like a great taste of the penmanship. Is that rain or you crying again? Would it be the same if I could hold you, my friend? Just from the outset. And then talking about, it's hard to be lonely throughout the song. This is a great love song. It's one of those ones that it hits right at those perfect points in a movie or some sort of soundtrack, some sort of production piece or something. But this is Otis Redding like. This has Charles Bradley and Sharon Jones from the Daptone Records label. It has that great feel of just nostalgic music and the horns coming in, and I wanted to give you guys a live performance specifically because I think sometimes with the studio production, yes, it sounds great, but that's kind of the point. Is this sounded great and it was a live performance and everybody was on point, and this is that wonderful blend of raw talent and hard work. You can see that it is just manifested into this beautiful song. They have 3 albums out, so I'm going to start looking into their stuff. They are touring in 2025, so you might want to look them up. I will leave a link or something to where you can find them in the description. I may even put the lyrics to this song in the description as well, so you guys can play it back and be able to, read along if you like. But what are your thoughts on this? I think it's a beautiful song. I think it's so well crafted, and it is an amazing nod from some guys from Australia who are much younger than the time frame that they are just giving this wonderful homage to. So I like it. I love it. And I'm going to look up more of their stuff, and I may react to more of their stuff as well. But what are your thoughts? Please leave it in the comments. Would love to hear what you guys have, your ace up the sleeve, advice, comment, experience. And again, subscriptions to the channel are free. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Won't be mad at you, but those things help the channel grow, and I can bring you guys more stuff. So with that said, I'm going to leave it at that, but I hope this finds everybody in your place, pursuit, or beginnings of total health, mind, body, and soul. Peace, love, unity, solidarity, and of course, subscriptions, video, and stick around.